Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making Viennetta Ice Cream. In my eyes, this is the best ice cream you can get. And here in the Netherlands we always buy it when we are celebrating something like Easter or Christmas or whatever other party we are celebrating. It's super easy to make with only a few ingredients, so let's start. Start by putting plastic wrap in a cake tin of around 25 centimeters in length. Melt the chocolate over an all bain-marie. That's a hot water bath. This ensures that the chocolate won't burn. Let this melt slowly. In the meantime, pour the condensed milk in a big bowl. Also add all of the whipped cream. You can use a whole vanilla pod when I'm using vanilla paste. If you are using vanilla paste like I do, add in 1 good teaspoon. Grab a hand mixer or stand mixer and beat it until it gets the right consistency. Do not overmix it. The chocolate has melted, so we can start the next step. Put a little layer of the whipped cream on the bottom. Add a thin layer of chocolate on top. Repeat these steps until the tin is completely filled. It's the same as making lasagna. When the tin is filled, fold the plastic wrap over the top and put it in the freezer for at least 1 day. I still don't understand how my dog is able to sleep like this. Anyhow, let's move on. When everything has frozen solid, get the ice cream out of the tin and remove all the plastic wrap. I love how you can see all the different layers on the inside. The last step is to sprinkle cocoa powder over the top and enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. And of course I see you in the next video.